Hello everyone, I'm Muhammad Nabil. Today I'm excited to talk about PolkaPost, a social media platform that I built using a combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Flask. It's a place to connect with people, share their thoughts, and be a part of the community. Right here you see is the login page. On the bottom right you see there's a cookie consent banner. You can press accept to dismiss. And the reason why I put login is for whoever the user has their account, they can immediately loג in. And for the sake of this video, we can create a new account. And here there's introduced with username and also a password. And press button create account and it will direct you to the main page. But before that, it also prompt a welcome card saying welcome to the PolkaPost and telling a bit of what you can do inside the website. Click here to dismiss, and here, since no one's supposed to be yet, we can share the post for the first time by clicking the button or on the top here. Let's say I'm gonna share my thoughts. I love animals, and it is optional to add a photo, but I have photo ready. So, and if you feel like you don't want to, you can press cancel. But I'm definitely gonna share my thoughts on it, so I'm gonna press share post. And here you can see your own post with a timestamp and date, what you text, and any user, including yourself, can give a like to your post. Also, you can give a comment, and you can press here to comment, and you see here, yes, there it is. And you also can give a like as well if you want to. And if you're like, I'm gonna change to direct comments to blah blah blah, and it should change as well. Or if you're like, I'm not gonna comment, I can delete it and it should be dismissed. You can also do that as well with your post, and if you press save, it should change as well. And on the top right, you see there's a profile setting, help, and logout. Profile will go to your profile page. It's, with a date stamp saying when you join. Click to edit to change the username, password, and also profile. Let me change the profile to my old photo. You see here, there it is. And you can also change to username. No, press here, click here, it's changed as well. There's a banner here says everything you make changes, and everything you make changes will also be updated on the drop down menu, the pictures, and also public feed as well, both here. So and also you can click here to go to whoever's profile. You can look onto others profile, and the help button, privacy policy, and terms of service are all three of them will be go to the coming soon page, which is will be adding on in the later future. And press it to coming back to home. And the last will be log out, which is that redirect back to the login page. On the bottom footer here, you can see in the middle saying that a bit of description about the website. On the left will be contact with us, and there's few social media icons, but it's not functioning in the future. If we make it create like an official social media account, then we can redirect, go to the our official. And on the opposite, which is a quick link, and over here about us, give a bit of explanation about the whole website, back end, front end, and a few of the key features. The reason why we chose the design was deeply rooted in the needs of our user, and we utilized the bootstrap to quickly and efficiently build responsive layout, creating a visual appealing and user-friendly interface. Jinga was instrumental in dynamically generating HTML templates, allowing for seamless integration of user-generated content and personalized experience. But behind the scene is PolkaPost relies on a robust database that keeps everything organized. We're using users' posts, comments, and likes. There are a few relationships I've used, and to make sure that everything is interconnected, sophisticated. This allows you or any user to like multiple posts, comments on various posts, and have your post liked and commented on by multiple people. So it is a complex system that ensures a seamless user experience. And regarding the advanced feature, there are two things I want to touch on. Firstly, we implemented a like button system and a comment section on that shows how many likes and comments on every post by using an event listener. It's a procedure in JavaScript that waits for an event to occur, such as clicking a like button and whatnot. When that event occurs, the event listener executes a callback function to handle the event. It is commonly used to handle user interaction. So, returning to our like button, firstly, the script waits for a DOM document object model to be fully loaded before executing the code inside the event listener. By clicking the like button, selects all the elements with the class like dash button using document.query selector all. Next, click the event is added, meaning that each like button adds a click event listener. Then adding a click class is when a like button is clicked. It will temporarily add a click class to the button. So this class can be used to trigger the CSS animation. And finally, remove the click class after 200 milliseconds. The click class is removed from the button, ending the animation. Next, we will talk about post and comment in our JavaScript. Specifically, we'll focus on how we enable editing a post. First, we have a function called edit post, and this function takes two parameters, post ID and post text. And this function will take two parameters, the ID of the post we want to edit and the current text of that post. And when we call this function, it starts by finding the post element on the page using the post ID, and then it creates a form element that allows user to edit the post. And this form uses a post method and is set to submit to a specific URL that includes the post ID. And inside this form, we will create a text area element pre-filled with the current post text. And this is where the user can make their changes. Next is to create a two container buttons, which is we have two buttons, create a save and cancel, which is, save is to submit the form while the cancel is to restore the original text if the user decides not to make any changes. And finally, we will replace the current post text with our newly created form, allowing user to edit the post directly on the page. This approach makes it easier for user to edit the post seamless and interactively. We also prioritize accessibility to make the PolkaPost inclusive for everyone, and we've chosen easy font on the eyes, especially those with dyslexia. And the color palette is carefully designed to minimize the eye strain and improve readability. We've also strived to adhere to WCAG guideline to ensure the platform is accessibility to users with disabilities, meaning that we'll be prioritizing on achieving the triple A level WAG compliance. So to deliver a high quality product, we've subjected PolkaPost to rigorous testing. We've tested its functionality on various device and screen size to ensure the consistent user experience. We've also conducted accessibility testing to identify and address potential barriers. We aim to provide all users with a reliable and enjoyable platform by prioritizing quality assurance. We've also While we're also proud of our accomplishments, we always find room to improvement with enhancing the profile picture editing features to profile flexibility and customization option. We're also dedicated to refine the like and comment functionalities to make them more responsive and user-friendly. And we're also exploring different color palettes to create visual appealing and accessible design. So in the future, we might decide to introduce a dark mode that caters user to prefer a dark theme, especially during nighttime. We also continue experimenting with color palettes to create a visual, striking, and accessible design that enhance the user experience by listening to user feedback and embracing innovation. So we are aiming to evolve PolkaPost into an even more engaging and inclusive social media platform. One of our biggest challenges was balancing the needs for a visual appealing design with a accessibility consideration. So we had to carefully select the color, font, and layouts to ensure that the platform was easy for everyone. And we also had to consider the technical challenges of implementing a robust database and ensuring the platform was scalable. And another challenge was testing the platform thoroughly to identify and fixing the bugs. We conducting various tests, functional, usability, and accessibility before the platform was released. But in the end, despite these challenges, we overcame them and created a social media platform we are proud of. PolkaPost has the potential not to be just another platform, but also a popular one for people to connect and share and learn. We are committed to improve the platform and making it even better in the future. Thank you very much for listening.